Hello everyone, welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today I will teach you how to merge dot on pattern. Select the pattern and create the design line. Check it. Not check it. OK. Move the pattern. Add the center line of the dot. Remove excess lines. Delete. Connect the lines. Move these two lines to this dot. Rotate this line and this line. Now rotate this line. The gap between the two lines is wide. Need to rotate the line again. Now connect the two lines. Make a new pattern. The dot will merge. Thanks for watching.